Well, tonight marks one of the biggest milestones in the history of High Point University. Earlier this evening, the university held grand opening ceremonies for the Nido and Mariana Qubein Arena and Conference Center. This $170 million complex is unlike any on a college or university campus in the United States. It features a 4,500-seat arena, which will be, among other things, the home of the university's basketball teams, a 2,500-seat conference center, and those facilities are also connected to a 30-room boutique hotel and restaurant for use only by guests of the university.
It's taken us a little longer than we'd like, but in the end we came up with an extraordinary product that will be both academics and athletics in its nature, and it will serve thousands of students and I hope hundreds of thousands of citizens in this region.
The academic component of all this is really important. Sports management, event planning, and hospitality majors, among others, will work in the building and gain invaluable experience. The grand opening festivities are part of the university's family weekend, during which students and their families can attend athletic events, lectures, shows, art exhibits, tours, and concerts, as well as worship services on campus. And the showcase event will be a concert by the rock band Train in the arena tomorrow night.